Good morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Lon Salmon with your tropical weather outlook for today, and we continue to look at a buzz of activity in the Atlantic Basin. We are looking at several disturbances here. We're looking at Hurricane Lee. Earlier today, the center of Hurricane Lee was located about 460 miles or so southwest of Bermuda. Currently, it has winds of about 115 miles per hour. That's sustained winds, and we are anticipating that this will continue in another direction in terms of its path, but some weakening of this system is anticipated as it moves into the cooler waters of the northern Atlantic. Right now, we continue to see some swells propagating from the system, reaching the northern coastlines of Puerto Rico, as well as the Virgin Islands, and also Hispaniola to some extent, and also we're looking at the Bahamas and also to Bermuda to the north. Now, the system is not anticipated to directly affect any landmass for now. However, over the next several days, as it moves a little bit closer to the northeastern seaboard of the United States and also the eastern parts of Canada, we are anticipating that this could very well get into the extreme northeastern sections of the United States and also the eastern sections of Canada, perhaps as a tropical storm. We are also looking at Hurricane Margot, which earlier today the center was located approximately 790 miles or so southwest of the Azores. Currently, this has sustained winds of about 85 miles per hour, and we are anticipating as well that over the next several days this system will continue to weaken. Notwithstanding, we are still looking at some swells that are expected to reach the Azores, and so again some of the swells propagating from this system will reach the coastlines of the Azores. We are also looking at an area of disturbed weather which is located way out in the eastern tropical Atlantic. It's called AL 97. This system is anticipated to become a bit organized over the next several days, and so by weekend we could very well be looking at a tropical depression. Now, this is what we're looking at in terms of the forecast path, or probable path of Hurricane Lee. We can see it will continue on that northern, in that northern direction, and eventually it could possibly reach the extreme northeastern sections of the United States and also Canada as well too, as a tropical storm. This is what we're looking at for Margot. We can see that Margot right now is a hurricane, of course, but it is expected to move very slowly, so it will do some meandering as well, and it will pretty much remain a fish storm for the duration of its life. So this is not anticipated to feature across any landmass. As for AL 97, or that area of disturbed weather that we're looking at there out in the eastern tropical Atlantic, well, we can see based on the forecast models, most of the models at this point in time are suggesting that this one will follow in the path of Lee. In fact, some are suggesting that it will move even further to the northeast of the Eastern Caribbean, and so we are not anticipating this system to affect the Eastern Caribbean or to affect any landmass at this point in time. Notwithstanding, we are still looking at the peak period of the hurricane season. It is still east of us, and so we will continue to encourage individuals to continue to monitor the progress of this particular system. Over the next several days, currently it has just about a medium or 50% chance of development into a tropical cyclone. Over the next several days, that is expected to increase to about 80%, where this system again by weekend could very well become a tropical depression. Well, that's it for our tropical weather outlook for today. Again, I am meteorologist Lon Salmon. Continue to have a pleasant day, and of course you can get some more information on our YouTube channel, Antigua and Barbuda Meteorological Services. Again, have a pleasant day, everyone.